Cassowary Coast Regional Council has 525 kilometres of gravel roads in their network. Council does maintenance grading and resheeting grading. Maintenance grading is to provide a good running surface on the road to take out potholes and scouring due to the wet weather. Gravel resheeting is a 150 layer put on the existing road to improve crossfall and drainage. Gravel resheeting is laid out with a truck, pushed over with a grader to a 150mm layer, compacted with a roller and water cart. Council resheet approximately 35 kilometres of road per year at a cost of $3 million per annum. Council approximately does 400 kilometres of road maintenance at a cost of $1.4 million. Council provide a maintenance grade on roads as required, and after a number of years provide a resheet for wear and tear. Always slow down on gravel roads and drive to conditions.